Okay, I am heading over to a broken spring, it sounds like, on the door. We were there about 5 years ago. I looked him up. He's got 2 doors on the house, and we'll see. He's just a renter, but we'll see what we ever charged him before, and we'll just charge him that again. He's in an okay area. I'm going out to do it, and I'll be back as soon as we get there. I'll turn on the other camera. Alrighty. Oh, really? Okay. I take it it's this big door, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it looks like it's caved in there. What happened there? Hit it with a car?
A while back, yeah.
All right.
So,
did you want to open this door, or will this door open?
I got stuff behind this one. I can let you through the side gate, or you can come through the house.
Well, I could do either one. I just don't want the dog to run out and...
No, that's fine.
All right.
So I think you were guys placed the one on the right, and then that's the one on the left. I got the original.
And were you ever able to find the receipt?
No, like I said, I think you sent it to my landlord. I told him that it was broken.
And are you going to be paying for this today?
Yeah, I'll pay it.
Okay, now if I go through the alley there to bring the stuff in, the dog in there.
I'll open the gate for you. I'm going to put the dog in the house now that you're here. So.
Okay, did you want just that one change there? Because
yeah,
there's an 8-high door. Normally doors are about this high.
Right.
So this spring is wound up more than a normal spring. So it probably breaks a lot sooner.
Okay. Like I said, I think that was the one that you guys did do. So
yeah,
we'll probably just do, if we can do, I just need it to work. I don't, it doesn't need to be anything fancy. So if we just want to replace the one that's broken, that'd be great.
And normally $495 for that spring.
Okay. That's reasonable. I mean, if that's what it is, that's what it is.
Yeah, this one especially because it's higher and there's more turns I got to put on. I got to take all this stuff off.
Okay, that's reasonable.
Okay.
I'll let them know. I don't remember the door being as heavy. I couldn't get it open.
No, you can't with a broken spring because that's what lifts the weight for you. They pull on the cables on the end. They're wound up. This cable looks like it came off. Yeah, this cable's hanging there. Probably you were trying to open it, maybe?
Well, I think what happened is what we did is we were outside and we couldn't figure out why it wasn't opening. So we tried to open it, I think, once or twice, and then we came in and realized it had broken.
Yeah, because there's no tension even on that one now, because they're both off.
Off, right. Okay. I will get her in, and then I'll get that gate open.
Okay, good. Okay, done with that.
My daughter decided she wanted to get a kiln, and then decided it was too much work, so now we're...
Was it like a barbecue thing?
No, it's for like pottery.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, the good news is there was something, so she paid a little for it, but she'll be able to get something for it. $4.95, you said?
Yeah. All right. That's good. Okay, this is yours.
Thank you, sir.
And then you have our sticker on the wall over there.
I do, yep,
yeah,
I do.
So I don't need to put that on there.
All right, thank you, man.
Yeah, okay.
Appreciate you.
Thanks.
You bet.
Okay.
Have a good day.
All right. Now with actually doors are higher here. I don't know why his are so tall and these other ones aren't. So what we got here, that took about 20 minutes max that took me to do. Made $495. Relatively easy, but it being an 8-high door, I had to put an extra turn on top of it. But here's the check. $495. That's what you get when you do these kind of jobs. Quick and easy, in and out, $500 almost in your pocket. People could go buy cars, trucks, and everything. That's what you would have to do. 20 minutes of work a month if you made a payment on a truck. Well, do that, and your truck payment's made. Now the rest of the month is yours. So, you can look at it any way you want. This is great money. No one's gonna pay you this kind of money this quick and be so happy to write you a check. You need to get in the garage door business. If you don't, you're gonna make way less, and you're gonna work for someone else. You're gonna work way longer and do stuff you don't like doing. When I was younger and didn't know how to operate myself. And that's what we teach you. I teach you all that stuff so that when you go out to jobs, you're gonna know how to charge people, what to say and all that. So anyway, sign up, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Get started, get on the road. 30 to 40 days from now, you'll be doing these jobs. Do the course. The course takes 2 to 3 weeks to do. Stop wasting time because time is money. Over and out. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.